New Zealand seasonal job opportunity. Now, New Zealand has given opportunity that has opened a new visa for overseas to move to New Zealand through the New Zealand seasonal job. And today I'm here with you. I'm here to give you a website where you can get seasonal job in all classification in New Zealand. And through that, you can submit your application. If you're lucky, you'll be able to move to New Zealand through this new visa route that they have introduced. If today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Kindly do well to subscribe, like this video, make sure you subscribe, and then you share this video to your friends and family members. So without wasting much of your time, if you want me to help you with a CV, cover letter, as you're going to apply for the job, you need CV, cover letter. And then if you're going to apply for visa and you need someone to help you out with your visa application processes, it doesn't matter where you want to go, you can link up with me and I can help you. Just pick the number on the screen or email me and we will take it from there. So without wasting much of your time, this is the website that we are going to use here. So if you check it, there's seasonals in all classification, that is seasonal jobs in all classification in New Zealand. So here we have quality control, that is the job opportunity here. So if you check here, you'll be able to see more job opportunities, that is seasonal jobs for you guys that you can submit your application. Okay, so there's the website. I'll leave this website in the video description. So what you have to do is that just watch this video to the end, and at the end of it, just go to the description, look for the link, and then just tap on it and submit your application. But make sure one key thing for you to get a job offer or for you to get an interview is by presenting quality CV and cover letter. Okay, so there are different job opportunities here that you can take off. So let's say you want to apply for one of these jobs, you can find a job that suits your experience or your profession, and if you want to apply, so how do you go about it? So harvest Hella hands. So let's say you click on the job and it is going to take you to the stage. What you have to do is just take your time and read everything about the job and read what the employer is looking for. Okay, read to see if there is an opportunity for overseas candidates to also submit their application. Just go through them, look for every bit information that they are looking for before you submit your application. So here, if you check, you will see email your CV and cover letter direct to Josh Kingston. This is the employer. Okay, so we have the employer email address there. So what you have to do is just pick your CV and your cover letter, and then you submit it to this employer. And if you're lucky, this employer will call you for an interview. It is very easy, but the key thing is to get standard CV and then the cover letter for the job application. If you need me to help you with your CV and the cover letter, don't hesitate to call the number on the screen or to WhatsApp me and we will take it from there. Take notes, terms and conditions apply. See you in the next video.